Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're struggling with humidity problems like damp walls, musty smells, mold, or uncomfortable air, a good dehumidifier can completely change your home environment. Today, I've selected the top 5 best dehumidifiers of 2026 based on performance, energy efficiency, coverage area, noise level, and value for money. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. AEOCKY Max 80 Pint Smart Dehumidifier, 4,500 square feet. The AEOCKY Max 80 Pint Dehumidifier is designed for large spaces up to 4,500 square feet. It's Energy Star certified and can remove up to 80 pints of moisture per day, making it ideal for basements, large homes, and high humidity areas. It comes with a smart compressor, intelligent humidistat, and a continuous drain hose for hassle-free operation. This is a powerful, high-performance dehumidifier built for serious moisture control. The intelligent humidistat automatically maintains your desired humidity level, while the smart compressor ensures efficient and stable operation. It's especially great for basements and whole home use, where consistent moisture removal is needed. Pros: covers very large areas, up to 4,500 square feet, high capacity, 80 pints per day, Energy Star certified for lower electricity bills, smart humidistat with automatic control, continuous drainage option included. Cons: larger size, not ideal for small rooms, higher price compared to compact models. If you want a powerful, energy-efficient dehumidifier for large spaces, the AEOCKY Max 80 Pint is one of the best premium choices in 2026. Number 2. NineSky Dehumidifier for Home, 95-ounce, 1,000 square feet. The NineSky Dehumidifier is a compact and stylish unit designed for spaces up to 1,000 square feet. It features a 95-ounce water tank, auto shutoff protection, and 7-color LED ambient lighting. This dehumidifier is perfect for bedrooms, bathrooms, and small basements. It runs quietly, making it suitable for nighttime use. The auto shutoff feature prevents overflow, and the LED lighting adds a nice aesthetic touch. Pros: compact and lightweight design, quiet operation, auto shutoff for safety, attractive 7-color LED light, easy to use and maintain. Cons: not suitable for large or very damp areas, smaller moisture removal capacity. This is a great budget-friendly option for small to medium rooms where quiet operation and style matter. Number 3. Waykar 80 Pint Energy Star Dehumidifier, 5,000 square feet. The Waykar 80 Pint Dehumidifier is built for large spaces up to 5,000 square feet. It's Energy Star certified and includes a 1.14-gallon water tank with a continuous drain hose. Waykar is known for reliability, and this model delivers strong moisture removal with impressive energy efficiency. It works well in basements, large rooms, and entire homes. The digital control panel is easy to use, and the unit automatically adjusts humidity levels for optimal comfort. Pros: covers very large areas, up to 5,000 square feet, high moisture removal capacity, energy-efficient operation, continuous drainage option, durable and reliable build. Cons: slightly noisy at high fan speeds, takes up more floor space. If you need whole house or basement humidity control, the Waykar 80 Pint is a strong and dependable choice. Number 4. 95-ounce Quiet Dehumidifier with 7-color ambient light. This compact dehumidifier is designed for spaces up to 1,000 square feet and comes with a 95-ounce water tank, ultra-quiet operation, auto shutoff, and relaxing 7-color ambient lighting. This unit is perfect for bedrooms and living rooms where noise matters. It operates quietly and efficiently, making it ideal for daily use without disturbance. The ambient lighting feature adds a calming atmosphere, especially at night. Pros: very quiet operation, auto shutoff for safety, stylish design with ambient light, easy to move and maintain. Cons: limited capacity for high humidity areas, best suited for small to medium rooms. This dehumidifier is ideal if you want a quiet, stylish solution for everyday home use. Number 5. Dehumidifier for basement, 85-ounce, 800 square feet. This model is designed for spaces up to 800 square feet and includes an 85-ounce water tank, sleep mode, auto shutoff, and a 3-gear timer with 8, 16, and 24-hour settings. It's a compact but practical dehumidifier, perfect for bedrooms, bathrooms, and small basements. The sleep mode ensures low noise at night, while the timer adds convenience and energy savings. Pros: sleep mode for quiet nighttime use, auto shutoff protection, timer settings for flexible operation, compact and portable design, drain hose included. Cons: smaller coverage area, not suitable for very damp basements. This is a solid choice for small spaces where quiet operation and simple controls are important. That's it for today's review. I hope this video helped you decide if this product is right for you. If you found it useful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss our upcoming reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.